Use the power of AI to transform how to manage your assets and facilities efficiently. With Nextbitt, technology meets practicality. Do maintenance surprises and slow operations affect your business? It's time for a smarter way. Meet Nextbitt's smart platform for asset and facilities management. Our AI doesn't just predict problems, it helps prevent them, so your operations run smoothly. Cut down on downtime, improve productivity, and make your processes smoother. Our AI gives you insights and proactive management. Step into the future with Nextbitt. Visit our website to see how our AI solutions can change the way you work.